Welcome for this class. Okay, this class is regarding microsporogenesis. Okay, let us see about what do you mean by microsporogenesis? Microsporogenesis. See, genesis means production, microspore production. That means the process of formation of microspore or pollen grains from MMC. MMC means microspore mother cell through meiosis. It's called as an microsporogenesis. Do you understand the definition for microsporogenesis? The process of formation of microspore or pollen grain from MMC, microspore mother cell through this meiosis, is called as an microsporogenesis. Okay. How this process will occur? We'll see the procedures, how it takes place. First, already we learnt about the sporogenous tissue in microsporangium. What is sporogenous tissue? See, in microsporangium, there is a compactly arranged homogeneous cells that is called as an sporogenous tissue. We know that the sporogenous tissue have a potential pollen mother cell or microspore mother cell. The microspore mother cell is diploid in nature, 2n number of chromosomes, diploid in nature. When this microspore mother cell or MMC, microspore mother cell is otherwise called as MMC. This MMC undergoes the first meiotic cell division, then it forms a pollen tetrad. Pollen grains in the form of tetrad. Tetrad means 4. This is called as a pollen tetrad. Then the pollen tetrad is detached from the microsporangium. Then it forms a pollen grains. Now the pollen grains is haploid in nature. See, once again I will repeat the process of microsporogenesis. In this microsporangium, there is a special type of cell that is called as a sporogenous tissue. In the sporogenous tissue have a potentiality to produce a pollen mother cell or microspore mother cell. This microspore mother cell gives rise to microspore tetrad by first meiotic cell division. Then microspore tetrad or pollen tetrad gives rise to pollen grains. They are haploid in chromosome number. When the anther mature and dehydrate, the microspore dissociate from one another to form a tetrad. When the anther dehisces, the pollen grains released from the anther. Okay. The next one, the type of tetrad. 4 types of tetrads we can see. Number 1 is called as an tetrad pollen grains. The second one is called as an isobilateral. The third type is called as an linear tetrad. And the fourth type is called as an F-shaped or decussate type of tetrad. So these are the, apart from your lesson, just you should know that the type of tetrad, isobilateral tetrad, linear tetrad and F-shaped tetrad. Okay, at last the process of microsporogenesis, we are getting a haploid number of pollen grains. That is a male gamete of the plant. Are you clear? That is called as an pollen grains. Thank you.